How do I add a while loop to an if statement for my multiple choice story? I'm trying to add a while loop in my if statement that is attached to another while loop. I'm unsure where I'm going wrong. I'm trying to learn Python on my own, so I don't know very much. I get an error message saying unexpected character after line continuation character. It highlights my last if statement right after the first quotation mark. If I were to take it out, it will highlight the last while true statement. The hash you see are from another post. Basically, my question is, how do I fix the next while loop statements for my story? And is the process the same for the future multiple choices I do?
In Python, it's very important you get the indentations right and the scope of variables. The very first break is incorrectly indented.
One more tab required, the \n in D2A option being outside the double quotes. The if statements for the D2A response are incorrectly indented.
Shift them out one more tab. I've tidied the code up a bit here. Note, I've put double quotes around each line of text to be printed.
A bit easier to look at.
The new line character, \n, on line 17 needs to be included in the string, e. It needs to be inside the quotations. That is what is causing that particular error message. In addition, the break statement on line 6 needs to be indented. Other than that, it should work. Note that you need to type A into the terminal as input in order to get it to work. You could use raw_input instead, and then you can just type A.
You probably have an invisible space after in the end of one of the lines above. I suggest that instead of using continuation characters, you just close the string and open it again in the next line. It is less fragile and works better.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.